Hello student. In previous lecture we understand the types of root. तर मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ फ्लॉवरिंग प्लांट बॉडी हा चॅप्टर आपण स्टार्ट केला होता. सुरुवातीला फर्स्ट लेक्चर हे आपलं इंट्रोडक्शनचं झालं होतं. सेकंड लेक्चरमध्ये आपण टाइप्स ऑफ रूट बघितले होते. त्यामध्ये आपण दोन टाइप्स बघितले होते. रूट्स कन्सिस्ट हाऊ मेनी टाइप? रूट कन्सिस्ट टू टाइप. फर्स्ट टाइप is known as a taproot and second type is known as a adventitious root. Taproots develop from radical. Adventitious root develop from any other part of a plant body except radical. Taproot is a characteristic of a diploid plant and adventitious root system is a characteristic of a monocot plant. In taproot, primary, secondary and tertiary roots are present, and primary root, it is the elongation of a radical, but in adventitious root the primary root is a short root, so it is replaced by another roots which develop from the base of a stem or any other part of a plant body except radical. These roots are known as a adventitious roots, and taproots are also known as a true roots, and adventitious roots are also known as a false root. Taproots are present, for example, in gram, groundnut, pea, bean, etc. and adventitious roots present in a wheat, maize, grasses, etc. So today in this lecture we discuss the term region of root. What is the meaning of region of root? Region, that is zones of root. So how many regions of root? सुरुवातीला मी त्या रिजनची फक्त तुम्हाला नेम सांगते. There are 5 regions of root. First region is known as region of root cap or zone of root cap. Then second region is called region of cell division. Third region is known as a region of elongation. Fourth region is known as a region of absorption, and fifth region is known as a region of maturation. So root consists how many regions? Root consists 5 region or zone. First region is known as a region of root cap. Second region is known as a region of cell division. Third region is known as a region of elongation. Fourth region is known as a region of absorption, and fifth region is known as a region of maturation. So here observe the diagrammatic representation of region of root. In this diagram, first region absorption, and last region is known as a region of maturation. So student, here we discuss the first region of root. The first region of root is known as a region of root cap. What is the definition of root cap? The tender apex of root is protected by multicellular cap-like structure. This cap-like structure is known as a root cap. What is the definition of root cap? Root cap, that is the tender part of root or apex of root is protected by multicellular cap-like structure. This cap-like structure is known as a root cap. Then root cap is also known as a calyptra. बुकमध्ये कुठेही ह्या नावाचा उल्लेख केलेला नाही आहे, पण MCQला जर तुम्हाला ह्यावर जर काही क्वेश्चन वेगळा आला तर तिथं तुम्हाला ही टर्म पण माहीत पाहिजे की रूट कॅप म्हणजेच त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं सांगा. रूट कॅप इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज ए कॅलिप्ट्रा. आणि रूट कॅप सिक्रीट म्युसिलेज. व्हॉट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ रूट कॅप? रूट कॅप secrete the mucilage which provide passage of root through the soil. म्हणजे रूटला त्या सॉइलमध्ये एंट्री करण्यासाठी जो पॅसेज आहे तो पॅसेज तयार करण्याचं काम हे कोण करतात? रूट कॅप. व्हाय रूट कॅप प्रोव्हाइड पॅसेज? बिकॉज रूट कॅप secrete mucilage which lubricate the passage of root through the soil. Generally in plant one root cap is present, but in some plant multiple root caps are present. ह्यावर तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारला जाईल की कोणत्या प्लांटमध्ये मल्टिपल रूट कॅप्स प्रेझेंट असतात. इन विच प्लांट मल्टिपल रूट कॅप्स आर प्रेझेंट? फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन पॅन्डॅनस अँड इन ए स्क्रू पाईन द मल्टिपल रूट कॅप्स आर प्रेझेंट. इन विच प्लांट मल्टिपल रूट कॅप्स present? For example pandanus, and another example is a screw pine. In this plant the multiple root caps are present. And in some plant, for example hydrophyte. आता हायड्रोफाईटचं मिनिंग काय? सुरुवातीच्याच लेक्चरमध्ये आपण अँजिओस्पर्मिनचे काही ग्रुप बघितले होते. हायड्रोफाइट्स आहे, झिरोफाइट्स आहे, सॅमोफाइट्स आहे, लिथोफाइट्स आहे आणि हॅलोफाइट्स आहे. ह्या पाचपैकी एक पहिलीच टर्म हायड्रोफाइट. हायड्रोचं मिनिंग काय आहे? वॉटर. द प्लांट्स विच ग्रो इन वॉटर बॉडीज, दोज प्लांट्स आर नोन ॲज ए हायड्रोफाइट्स. सो हिअर अंडरस्टँड वन पॉइंट. In hydrophyte like Eichhornia and Pistia, root cap is replaced by a root pocket. ह्यावर सुद्धा तुम्हाला MCQ विचारला जाईल की कोणत्या हायड्रोफाइट्स प्लांटमध्ये रूट कॅपच्या ऐवजी रूट पॉकेट्स प्रेझेंट असतात. तर त्यामध्ये दोन एक्झाम्पल लक्षात घ्या. पहिलं हायड्रोफायटिक प्लांट आहे इकोर्निया आणि सेकंड जे प्लांट आहे त्या सेकंड प्लांटचं नाव आहे पिस्टिया. ही नावं तुम्हाला हळूहळू लक्षात येतील. सुरुवातीला एकदमच तुम्हाला हे उच्चार किंवा ही नावं लक्षात येतील असं नाही, पण जसं जसं तुमचा अभ्यास वाढेल, तुमचं रीडिंग वाढेल, त्याप्रमाणे ही नावं तुमच्यात लक्षात राहतील. बायोलॉजीमध्ये थोडेसे शब्द किंवा थोडंसं प्रोनाऊन्सिएशन हे लक्षात ठेवायला सुरुवातीला डिफिकल्ट वाटतं, पण नंतर आपला जसजसा इंटरेस्ट निर्माण होतो त्याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला हे सगळे वर्ड्स आणि ह्या सगळ्या टर्म्स लक्षात येतात. फक्त त्यासाठी तुमचा मात्र स्टडी मात्र रेग्युलर असला पाहिजे. मग आता बघा, पहिला रिजन आपण कोणता बघितला होता? त्या रिजनचं नाव काय आहे सांगा? रिजन ऑफ रूट कॅप. फर्स्ट पॉईंट ह्यामध्ये काय सांगणार? द टेंडर पार्ट और अपेक्स ऑफ रूट इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय ए मल्टीसेल्युलर cap-like structure. This cap-like portion of root is known as a root cap. मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो? मूल टोप्या. आणि त्यामध्ये काही एक्झाम्पल्स कोणते सांगितले होते की इन सम प्लांट, फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन ए पॅन्डानस क्रीव पाइन, मल्टिपल रूट कॅप्स आर प्रेझेंट इन हायड्रोफाइट्स लाईक इकॉर्निया अँड पिस्टिया. रूट कॅप is replaced by root pocket and root cap secrete mucilage which lubricate the passage of root through the soil. And what is the function of this region? Region of root cap हा कशासाठी प्रेझेंट असणार? त्याचं फंक्शन काय आहे? तर फर्स्ट फंक्शन आहे रूट कॅप गिव्स प्रोटेक्शन और इट प्रोटेक्ट द टेंडर पार्ट ऑफ रूट. एंड सेकंड फंक्शन इट प्रोवाइड वे और पैसेज फॉर एंट्री ऑफ रूट इनटू द सॉइल. नेक्स्ट जो रिजन आहे त्या रिजनचं नाव आहे रिजन ऑफ सेल डिव्हिजन. बघा, फर्स्ट जो रिजन आहे त्या पहिल्या रिजनचं नाव काय आहे सांगा? रिजन ऑफ रूट कॅप. आता त्या रूट कॅपच्या जवळ सेकंड जो रिजन प्रेझेंट आहे त्या सेकंड रिजनचं नाव आहे रिजन ऑफ सेल डिव्हिजन. व्हॉट इज द अनदर नेम ऑफ रिजन ऑफ सेल डिव्हिजन? Region of cell division is also known as a region of a meristematic tissue. किंवा meristematic region is also known as a region of cell division. It is present just above the region of root cap. Then it is 1 mm in length, and this region is made up of a specialized cell. This region is made up of a specialized cell. These specialized cells are known as a meristematic cells. These region is made up of a specialized cells. These cells are known as a meristematic cell. What is the function of a meristematic cell? Meristematic cell undergo cell division and then it form the new cell. Meristematic cell or meristematic tissue, it is the type of a plant tissue. In plant, meristematic tissues are present. In animal, meristematic tissues are the absent. And what is the function of the meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue undergoes cell division and form the new cell. So, region of cell division this region is responsible for formation of the new cell, that is, it is responsible for longitudinal growth of root. And what are the characteristics of the meristematic tissues? First characteristic of the meristematic tissue, that is, meristematic tissues are living. Meristematic tissue are a living tissue. Then second characteristic, meristematic tissue are a compactable arranged cells. Meristematic tissue are a compactly arranged. Then cell wall of meristematic tissue is very thin. That is, cell wall is thin. Then it is living. Living, that is, nucleus is present and this nucleus is surrounded by the cytoplasm. And meristematic tissue consists dense cytoplasm. So, what are the features or what are the characteristics of the meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue is a group of a young immature cell which perform the ability of cell division. And what is cell division? Formation of a new cell from a pre-existing cell. This process is known as a cell division. And how many types of the cell division? 3 types. First type is a amitosis, second type is a mitosis, and third type is a meiosis. So, second region of root, this region is known as a region of cell division. It is also known as a meristematic region. It is smallest region. It is 1 mm in length, and this region made up of a specialized tissues. These tissues are known as a meristematic tissue. And meristematic tissue, it is a group of a young immature cell which perform the ability of cell division. Meristematic tissue, living, they are living tissue. They are a compactly arranged, vacuoles are absent, cell wall is thin, and dense protoplasm is present. And what is the function of a region of meristematic tissue or region of cell division? This region is responsible for longitudinal growth of root or growth of plant. So, first region is known as a region of root cap, and second region is known as a region of cell division, and this region is responsible for longitudinal growth of root by addition of a new cell due to the presence of meristematic tissue which undergo the power of cell division and form the new cell. Then the third region of cell division is known as a region of elongation. This region is also known as a region of enlargement. What changes take place in this region? First, the newly formed cell due to the region of cell division. These newly formed cell rapidly elongates. So, this region is responsible for increase the length of root, that is increase the height of root. Region of cell division is responsible for longitudinal growth of root, and region of elongation, this region is responsible for increase the length or height of root. Then this next region is known as a region of absorption. डायग्राम मध्ये हा रिजन लक्षात घ्या. या रिजनचं नाव काय आहे? रिजन ऑफ ॲब्सॉर्प्शन. व्हॉट इज द अनदर नेम ऑफ रिजन ऑफ ॲब्सॉर्प्शन? Region of absorption, it is also known as a region of root hair. What is the function of root? First function is root gives fixation to the plant body, and second function, it absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Actually, absorption of mineral and water take place by the root hairs. And in which region root hairs are present? Root hairs are present on the region of absorption, and this region increases the surface area of root. This region increases the surface area of root. Root hairs are originate or they arise from epiplema. Epiplema, that is the outer layer of the root. Root hairs develop from epiplema or a piliferous layer of root. त्यामुळे हा पॉइंट सर्वांनी लक्षात घ्या MCQ साठी. रूट हेअर डेव्हलप फ्रॉम इपिप्लेमा और ए पिलिफेरस लेयर ऑफ रूट. These are the outer covering of root, and root hairs are unicellular. Root hairs are unicellular. Root hairs are a short lived, that is the duration of root hairs are a short term. After 10 to 15 days, the older root hairs replaced by the new root hair. So here understand this point. The duration of root hair is a short duration, that is they are replaced after 10 to 15 days. And what is the function of root hair? Root hair absorb water and mineral from the soil. And what is the main feature or characteristic about the root hair? Root hair are unicellular tubular structure which develop from epiplema or piliferous layer, and this region increases the surface area of absorption. This region increases the surface area of absorption. Then the last region is known as a region of maturation. Region of maturation is also known as a region of differentiation. Region of maturation is also known as a region of maturation or region of differentiation. So it is the last region of root. It is the major part of root. It occupies the major part of root. This region is made up of the cells which having thick wall, and they are impermeable. And in this region, the cells differentiate and they form the primary tissues. For example, cortex, for example, endodermis, and for example, xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem. So, in region of maturation, cell undergo differentiation and they form the primary tissue. For example, cortex, endodermis, xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem, these are known as a complex plant tissue. These are known as a water and food conducting tissue. So translocation of water and food take place by these complex tissue, that is xylem and phloem. So region of maturation, in this region there is no newly formed cell formation take place, but these cells undergo maturation, that is differentiation, and they after differentiation they form the primary plant tissue like cortex, endodermis, xylem and phloem. So how many regions of root? There are 5 regions. First region is region of the root cap. Second region is known as a region of cell division. Third region is known as a region of root cap. Fourth region is known as a region of absorption, and last region is known as a region of maturation. And on the region of maturation, the lateral roots also develop. So what is the function of this region? The region of root cap take part in a protection. The region of cell division is responsible for longitudinal growth of root. Region of elongation is responsible for increase the length or height of the root. Region of absorption play important role, that is it increases the surface area of absorption. So it absorbs more water and minerals from the soil and transport to another parts of the plant body. And region of maturation, it develops the lateral root and it is also responsible for the formation of the primary root. For example, cortex, for example, endodermis, for example, xylem, for example, phloem. What is root cap? The tender apex of root is protected by a multicellular cap-like portion. This cap-like portion or a structure is known as a root cap. What is root hair? Root hair, these are a unicellular thread-like structure which develop from epiblema or epiliferous layer. What is the function of root hair? Absorption of a water and minerals from the soil. What is the function of the root cap? Root cap is a protective in function. And in which plant root cap is replaced by root pocket? For example, Eichhornia, for example, Pistia. And which plant multiple root caps are present? For example, Pandanus, Screwpine. In this plant, multiple root cap are present. What is the function of the meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue undergo the power of cell division and form the new cell. And what are the characteristics of the meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue present in the region of cell division. Meristematic tissue made up of a group of young immature cells. Meristematic cells are a thin walled, they are a compactly arranged, vacuoles are absent, and they consist, the central nucleus. This nucleus is surrounded by a cytoplasm, that is, it consists of the dense protoplasm. And what is the ability of the meristematic tissue? It undergoes the cell division and new cells are formed. So this region is responsible for a longitudinal growth of root. Then absorption, root hairs are present. They increase the surface area of absorption. And region of maturation, it is the major part, impermeable, thin walled cell, and undergo differentiation to form primary tissues, for example cortex, endodermis, xylem and phloem. So in this way we understand the term the region of root. How many region? First, region of root cap. Second, region of cell division. Third, region of elongation. Fourth, region of absorption. And fifth, region of maturation. तर आतापर्यंत या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण काय काय बघितलं? पहिला पॉईंट अँजिओस्पर्मिक प्लांट बॉडी, त्यामध्ये त्याची डायग्रॅम. अँजिओस्पर्मिक प्लांट बॉडी इज डिवायडेड इनटू एरियल शूट सिस्टीम, अंडरग्राउंड रूट सिस्टीम. बुश सिस्टीम इज होमोजेनियस, बुश सिस्टीम इज हेटेरोजेनियस. Then see the groups of the angiosperm. First group is a hydrophytes, then xerophytes, samophytes, lithophytes and halophytes. Then we see the first part, underground part of root. Root is a descending organ, non-green in color, cylindrical, originate from the radicle of an embryo during the seed germination. And root consists how many type? Two type. First type is a primary, then second type is a adventitious roots. First type is a taproot and second type is a adventitious roots. Taproots are known as a true roots, adventitious roots are known as a false root. And we also learn the region of roots. First, region of root cap. Second, region of cell division. Third, region of elongation. Fourth, region of elongation, region of absorption, and region of maturation. So in next lecture or next video we discuss or we understand the term modification of root.